This ZLINE Convection Microwave stainless steel is quite nice. It looks sleek with its stainless steel. Also, it has a modern handle. Furthermore, sensor cooking makes things easy. It feels like a helpful kitchen friend. Moreover, this ZLINE Convection Microwave stainless steel has convection. This means it can bake and roast. It is more than just a microwave. Besides that, the sensor cooking is smart. It adjusts cooking time and power. So, your food should come out just right. It's like having a cooking expert built in. Therefore, if you want a good microwave, consider this one. The ZLINE Convection Microwave stainless steel offers style and function. For example, the stainless steel is easy to clean, and the modern handle adds a touch of class. It could be a great addition to your kitchen. Pros: combo cook is pretty awesome. Defrost is also fantastic. Fairly simple transition. Defrost and sensor cook work great. Microwave and convection a lot. Unit installed so easily. Better made with a metal framed door. Versatility of microwave or convection or both. Heavy duty and beautiful. Works just great. So lit up and shiny inside. Lights underneath are so bright, fan actually pulls up the air cons. Buttons labels are dangerously unseen. Controls don't have a backlight, a little harder to use. Burn the back left side. Microwave part may need 3 or more minutes. Cannot see the controls. Convection temp numbers are hard to see. Features: over the range, convection oven, microwave oven, stainless steel, modern handle, sensor cooking, easy to install, multiple functions, sleek design, time saving. The ZLINE over the range convection microwave oven is a kitchen appliance made of stainless steel. It has a modern handle and can be installed over your stove. This oven works as both a regular microwave and a convection oven, which can bake and roast. It has a sensor cooking feature that helps cook food properly. The design is sleek, and it has multiple functions that can save you time in the kitchen. The ZLINE over the range convection microwave oven in stainless steel is praised for its combo cooking, excellent defrost, easy setup, and great performance of both defrost and sensor cook functions, as well as the microwave and convection features. It's described as heavy duty, beautiful, and well lit inside with bright underlights, and its fan effectively pulls up air. However, some downsides include unseen button labels, no backlight on the controls making it a bit harder to use, potential burning on the back left side, the microwave possibly needing longer cooking times, difficulty seeing the controls and convection temperature numbers, and a suggestion for a better made metal framed door. Overall, it offers the versatility of microwave, convection, or both.